welcome to Sabanari Kids channel. Welcome to my new cooking video. I'm going to make French fries in the air fryer. Ingredients are melted butter, chili flakes, oregano leaves, salt, and some frozen French fries. Cook together. First, put some melted butter. Now put some chili flakes. And now put some oregano leaves. And some salt. I'm going to mix it. Mix it together. Now my French fries is ready to cook in air fryer. French fries in the air fryer. French fry is going inside the air fryer. To cook French fries on the French fries mode. French fries is cooking. My yummy French fries is ready. Let's have a look now. Wow! Oh, it's so yummy, crunchy and tasty. Now my yummy French fries is ready. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you.